If you have been trading Solana meme coins for any amount of time, you already know that the terminal you use is everything. Gone are the days of 5 tabs open, jumping between charts and Discord, trying not to miss a move. The setup I am showing you today fixes all of that. Click the link in my bio right now. The code is Solana meme coins. Sign up while you watch, and we set this up together right now. Let's get into it. So, first things first. What is Trojan? Trojan is the #1 trading terminal on Solana right now. Started as a Telegram bot, over $2 billion in volume, now a full web terminal. Faster than Axiom, cleaner than Padre, and it has one setup that almost nobody around you is using correctly. That setup is the reason I switched, and it has nothing to do with the chart. Most people open Trojan and go straight to the tokens. Wrong move. The first thing I do every single time is check the signal feed. Because when you are a Solana meme coins member, our alpha channels connect directly into your Trojan terminal. Channels like Serenity, Pastel, and Shocked. These are not free channels. Access to all the channels costs over $1,500 a month elsewhere, but as a member, those calls hit your terminal the second they drop in our Discord. No tab switching, no missing anything. That is not a general Trojan feature. That is exclusive to our community. That is the edge. And right now, most traders watching this do not have it yet. Here is the deal. Sign up to Trojan using my link in the bio. The code is Solana meme coins. Then open a ticket in the support channel inside the Discord. Say, "Hey, I signed up for Trojan using your code." Attach your proof and say, "I would like to claim my 3-day free premium trial." That is it. We handle the rest. Keep watching, because now I am going to give you the exact filter settings I use every single day. This is the most important part. Write this down. Trojan shows you 3 sections: New Pairs, About to Migrate, and Migrated. Without filters, all 3 are just noise. New Pairs first, and this is the one I use the most. Minimum volume $13,000. Minimum market cap $8,000. This is where the earliest moves live. Real money moving, without being so big you already missed it. Get this filter right and you are ahead of 90% of traders instantly. About to Migrate. Minimum volume $20,000. No volume pushing it forward, no reason to look at it. Simple as that. And Migrated Pairs. Strictest filters. Minimum market cap $30,000. Minimum volume $3,000. Every single filter exists to cut out rugs or noise before they reach your screen. Set these once, save them. Let Trojan do the work. That simple.
Now, quickly, the speed settings, because this trips up a lot of beginners. When you buy or sell, you will see Echo, Fast, and Turbo. I use Fast for most of my trades. All it does is make sure your order actually gets filled. That is it. Keep that in mind. If you have less capital and want to test lower settings to save on fees, completely fine. And do not skip this part. Sign up through my link and you get 45% cashback on every single trade. That is the highest of any platform right now. Axiom does not match it. Padre does not match it. Nearly half your fees coming back to you. Every single trade. Most people are just leaving that money on the table right now. So here is the full picture. Trojan is the best terminal on Solana, but the terminal alone is only half of it. The other half is Solana meme coins, because that is what feeds the alpha directly into your screen. Channels worth over $1,500 a month, live, right there inside your terminal. The filters cut the noise, the speed settings get you filled, and the cashback makes every trade cheaper than anywhere else. The link is in my bio. The code is Solana meme coins. Sign up, join the Discord, Open a ticket in the support channel, show your proof, and claim your 3-day free premium trial. See you inside the Discord.